Hey guys, welcome to Vishwa Tech Logic. So in this video I will show you how you can apply for PPSN. So before going to the video friends, if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, make sure that you have been subscribed to our channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. So before we dive into the video guys, so for this process we required 3 documents. So here we need to upload 3 documents. So first document is address proof. So whereas if you have an address proof it's fine, so or else you can download the reference letter from the college, so where you mention your address, exact address. And second requirement is identity, so you need to have your passport. And third requirement is you need to have a PPSN, should be downloaded from the college portal. So that's all. So let's dive into the video. So first of all I will give link in the description. So once you click on the link, so you will redirect to this page, you will land to this page. So here you need to click on the login with mygov id. So here you can see that just click on the create an account and enter all the details as per your passport. So first name, surname, and you need to enter your address and you need to create the password. So if you haven't already have an account, you can directly log in. So I'm creating for the first time, so I'm creating my account. So just enter your email id and set your password and confirm it. And click on I am over 16 years of age and click on create an account. So once you click on create an account, so you will get an email which you have been mentioned. So you need to enter the OTP over here. So I'm entering my OTP and click on the confirm. So as you can see here, so my account has been successfully verified with my email ID. So click on apply now. So here we need to enable the second step authentication for the security purpose. So here you need to enter your Ireland number. So here I will enter my Ireland number. So whenever you are logging in, so it requires second step two-step authentication. So enter your mobile number, Ireland mobile number, and click on submit phone number. And you will get an OTP for it. So you need to enter the OTP. So once you click on it, just click on submit. So now you have been successfully created your account and enabled your second step authentication, two-factor authentication. So now what we have to do is, now we this is the process. So we need to click on begin application. So once you click on it, so here we need to state the reasons of why we are applying it. So here, starting a course in a school or college. So I'm doing my master, so I'm selecting this option. So here you need to click on Mr. and you need to, here all the details should be mandatory enter as per your passport. So here I'm entering my all the details, first name, last name, and click on S, and you need to enter your date of birth as per your passport. So once it is done, so you need to enter your mother's birth surname. So check in your passport and enter as per passport. So once it is done, so next step is like, do you have mobile number? Yes, and enter your mobile number here. So once you enter your mobile number and you need to enter your address. So here in county you need to enter, so where you are located in. So I'm in Dublin 11, so I'm entering the complete address here. So make sure that it should be as per your reference letter or address book, whatever you were mentioned. So you need to enter same as it is and click on save and continue. So next option is where you born in Republic of Ireland. So I'm clicking on no and I'm entering the India and nationality as Indian, and click on no. So have you ever worked or studies or received benefits from in a country other than yes? So previously I worked in India, so I'm entering all the details in India. So if you are if you have a different profile, make sure that you are entering as per your profile. So I'm here for masters, so I'm entering the Indian details. So once it is done, so you need to enter your PAN card number here. So Indian PAN card number. So I'm entering my details. So once it is done, so click on save and continue. So here you need to upload a file, so proof of address. So here I have already downloaded the reference letter from college. And second file is, so you need to upload the proof of identity. So here I am uploading the passport as a proof of identity. So there is a format so to upload it. So as you can see in the screen, so it is just for a reference. So you need to arrange like this, and you need to upload a PDF file. And the third option is like you need to download the PPSN letter from the college, and you need to upload it. So once it is done, so as you can see here, it is in summary. So we almost done the process. So it is in summary. So just cross check all your details. So whatever, if you want to edit it. So make sure that every detail whatever you enter here should be as per your passport. So cross check all your details. So as you can see here, so here you can see all your personal details also, so which we have entered previously. So recheck all your details. So once you recheck all your details, you can just click on submit. So make sure your first name, last name, everything should be as per your passport. So as you can see here, so your application has been submitted. So once it is done, guys, so you will receive an confirmation email in 1 to 2 weeks. So as per the flow, so you will receive an email, or else you can just log into your accounts which we have been created now. So you can log in regularly, and you can check an updates on it. So once you get the confirmation, so in the confirmation email you will be getting the appointment date, so when you have to visit, and you will be getting the address of it. So in the next video I will upload like what are the required documents you need to carry when you are visiting for PPSN. So I will upload in the next video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please do like and share this video with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.